This video I will explain how to pay electricity bill on Google Pay. Paying your electricity bill using Google Pay is simple, fast and convenient. You can complete the payment from your mobile phone without visiting the electricity office or standing in a queue. What is Google Pay? Google Pay is a digital payment app. You can use Google Pay to pay electricity bills, recharge your mobile, send and receive money, pay gas and water bills, make many other online payments. What do you need before paying the bill? Before start, make sure you have a Google Pay account, a bank account linked to Google Pay, a working internet connection, your consumer number or consumer ID from your electricity bill, enough money in your bank account. What is a consumer number? A consumer number is a unique identification number which is given by your electricity provider. The electricity company uses this number to identify your connection and the bill. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine your roll number in your school. Your teachers uses your roll number to identify you. In the same way, the electricity company uses your consumer number to identify your electricity connection. Now we will see what are the steps involved in paying electricity bill using Google Pay. Step 1. Open the Google Pay. Open the Google Pay app on your phone. Make sure you logged into your account. Step 2. Select bill payments. Tab bills or bill payments. Choose electricity from the list of bill categories. Step 3. Select your electricity provider. Find and select your electricity board or electricity provider. Examples include your state electricity company. For example, BESCOM. Step 4. Enter your consumer number. Enter your consumer number or consumer ID carefully. Double check the consumer number before continuing. Here you can see the real life example. Suppose your consumer number is like this. If you accidentally type the wrong consumer number, then Google Pay may show another consumer's bill or may not find your account. Step 5. Fetch the bill. Tap Fetch Bill or Proceed. Google Pay contacts your electricity provider and retrieves your latest bill. You can now see the details like consumer name, bill amount, due date, and consumer number. Step 6. Verify the bill details. Before making the payment, you have to check consumer name, consumer number, bill amount, and due date. Always make sure the bill belongs to you. Step 7. Make the payment. Tap Pay. Select your linked bank account. If more than one bank account is available, enter your UPI PIN. What is a UPI PIN? A UPI PIN is a secret number that authorizes payments from your bank account. Never share your UPI PIN with anyone. Step 8. Payment confirmation. After successful payment, Google Pay displays a confirmation message. You also receive a transaction ID and the payment receipt. What is a transaction ID? A transaction ID is a unique number created for every payment. You can use this transaction number if you need help with the payment later. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine your electricity bill is 1250 rupees. You open Google Pay. Select electricity. Choose your electricity provider. Enter your consumer number. Google Pay shows your bill of 1250 rupees. You verify the details. Enter your UPI PIN. The payment is completed successfully. You receive a confirmation message and a transaction receipt.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door.
What are the benefits of paying electricity bills using Google Pay? Fast payments without visiting an office. Available anytime using your phone. Secure payment through your linked bank account. Digital payment receipt for future reference. Easy payment history inside the app. Now we will see things to remember. Always enter the correct consumer number. Verify the consumer name before paying. Check the bill amount. Never share your UPI PIN. Keep enough money in your bank account. Save the payment receipt until the bill is updated. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.